Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's MS Slime. So for today's video, I am planning to show you guys how to make basic slime for beginners. So those who always wish to know how to make slime, I hope this video will be best for you. Like if you have never played with slime before and you are planning to test it out, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Okay guys, what you will need to make a basic slime is glue. So you will need glue, you need Elmer's school glue. If you want to test out other glues, you could, but I don't actually know if you actually turn out to be slime. But if you're actually a beginner and you really want to make slime, please just get Elmer's school glue. And I recommend this glue because I have used this glue thousands of times, and it's really great for slimes. So please get Elmer's school glue. I have the gallon. You could get a small bottle. It's good, but please get Elmer's school glue. I recommend this thousands of times for you guys to get. So please get Elmer's school glue. The next thing that you will need is lotion. If you want your slime to be stretchy, soft, and just nice to play with, please get lotion. It's gonna help your slime so much. Any type of lotion is okay. The next thing you will need is container, a bowl, and a spoon. You also need container for the slime itself. So when you get a bowl to make a slime, because I'm gonna use this bowl for the slime itself, like making the slime, then when I'm done, I'll put my slime in this same bowl, and I have the lid for me to cover it to keep it safe, so it will not be dry out and stuff like that. So please remember to get container. When you finish making your slime, get a dry container and keep your slime in, so that it will not be dried out and you will have a perfect slime ever. And finally, your activator. So this is borax solution. You will need 1 teaspoon of borax powder mixed with 1 cup of warm water. Not cold water, or else the borax powder will not dissolve in the water. Use warm water so that the borax powder will be dissolved. Then yeah, you could shake it if you want, and then you could make your slime. So this is my borax solution. Guys, then let's get started to make the slime. So yeah, you first start by putting your glue in the container. Okay, you could put any amount of glue. If you want to make a big slime, you could put a lot of glue, excuse me. But if you want to make it a small slime, you could put a small amount of glue. But I'm planning to make it big, so this is how much I added. Next, you put your lotion. You don't need much, but you could add much if you really want it to be soft, but don't put that much, okay, so that it's not be that kind of like liquidy texture. Then finally, you need your activator. You pour that in. Okay, so this can be the tricky part of making slime. Try to take your time in adding the activator, because if you mistakenly add too much activator, your slime could be overactivated. So you need to add small by small if possible. But if you're actually really good at making slime, you could, you go add like the amount that you think it is. But for beginners, please take your time and add small by small, and so that your slime could turn out to be great and not it to turn out to be great and stretchy. Yeah, so it will not rip when you're trying to stretch it. So take your time and add the activator. Stripping. So you keep adding your activator until your slime is like turning out to be in a crunchy texture, like something like this. But like, don't put your don't put your hands in yet. Keep adding your activator until your slime is like all crunched up together. So something like this, okay? But you keep mixing that up. When you feel like it's time for you to mix it in, you could put your hands in. But if you don't want your hands to get dirty, you just keep on adding the activator and keep mixing until like until it clench up totally. Then you use your hands to like nail it in. So when I'm finished nailing in the slime, I will show you guys. Okay guys, I have my slime right here, but I just want to show you guys the mess right here. When you make slime, sometimes this can always happen. Mess like this could always happen, and it's okay. You just have to get tissue and just clean it up. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning up my mess, and this is the slime. All what I gotta say is that if you mistakenly overactivate, that's okay. You could still add lotion to it so that it will become soft and stretchy again. When you finish playing with your slime, remember to put it back in your container so that it will be safe and it will always be moist. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.